back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julianna. Today I'm going to be filming a Dollar Tree haul. I know this is like such a generic video, but I went to the Dollar Tree, picked up some snacks, picked up a few things, and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe, like this video, send me any video requests that you have, follow me on all of my social media accounts, and let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that I got, I mainly got food items, but the first thing that I got was Sunny D orange strawberry. This is so good and I love this stuff, as well as some Wales cheddar cheese bites. These are amazing too, and you can never have too many snacks because snacks are a lot in my opinion. Then I got more snacks, so I got like these potato sticks, and they're sour cream and onion, and I have 4 of these. I have 3 right here, and then I started eating on 1, so I have 4 of those. And then, oh my gosh, I'm so ready to finish this video so that I can dive into all this food afterwards. Yeah, you heard me. So I got these dippers, cheese dip and breadsticks. They're like the little crackers with the cheese dip. These are so good, and I got 4 of them. I already ate 1 whole strip. So that's how much I like these things, is because I'll eat a whole like 5 of the little ones. Crazy. Then I got ranch fries, and then I also got cheese fries. They're somewhere. Oh, they're right here. So I got another bag, and I also got cheese fries. And these are so good. I don't really like the hot fries because they're, I mean, I like them, but they're just like really greasy and they're just like not it for me. So I got those. Then I wanted to get into like little like brain games. So they call me crazy, but I got this word crossword thing game, writing coloring book thing. I'm really excited. It just has like words, and it's like a word search. That's what it is. That's what I got. And then I got these Modest Basics feminine wipes. Don't come at me for using these. I use these all the time. They're what keeps me right down there. So I got 2 of them. I also got some makeup remover wipes because I need those. I got some chewy caramels from Werther's, and I got 4 bags of those. So got a lot of duplicates of certain items, and that's everything that I got from the Dollar Tree. What sucks is the Dollar Tree went from $1 for everything to $1.25 for everything. So it's like, I don't know, it's not the Dollar Tree anymore. It's the $1.25 tree. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and leave any video requests down below. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.